Museums, usually synonymous with the past, housing artifacts that are of historic importance. But a museum of the future? Have you heard of one? Well, it's this unique looking building right behind me. Let's go inside and check it out, shall we? My name is Divya and welcome to our channel where you'll see my husband and I explore new places in Dubai and around the world. So if you'd like to see what we get up to, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Today we want to give you an exclusive tour of one of the most beautiful buildings in the world, the Museum of the Future. But let's start with some basic details like the timing. It's open from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. on all days, and the location, you pretty much can't miss it. It's right on Sheikh Zayed Road and the closest metro station is Emirates Towers. Regarding the ticket prices, they are at 145 dirhams on the museum's website, but if you want to save some money and get it at a discounted rate, make sure to check the description down below. It'll be the first link on there, and use the code SMILE to enter into the site and book your tickets for an exclusive discounted price. I know there's so much hype about this place, so much so that the tickets are sold out for the first week. So let's not keep you guys waiting any longer and go inside. Once you enter the building, you can see that the same look and feel is maintained inside that you see on the outside with the Arabic calligraphy. You can also see some floating elements here which really makes you feel like you're somewhere in the future. And that's exactly what they want you to feel, like you're in the year 2071. So all the exhibits inside will be based that you are already in the future. We got our wristbands which you scan to enter, and we're ready to begin our journey to the future.
Your journey begins in a very special place and time, Mohammed bin Rashid Spaceport, February 2071. The launch is about to start. Follow me.
We now embark into a space pod which is gonna take us to the ISS Home, about 600 kilometers into outer space. We were told it's gonna be a bumpy journey, and that's why I'm holding on. Spaceport is nothing but a lift, but as you take off, you can see outside that's Dubai in 2071. You slowly also see the Earth that you leave behind and ISS Hope that lies ahead, where you will be docking soon.
Welcome everyone. You are now standing on the deck of Space Station Home.
Here we see the actual model of the ISS Hope, where in the year 2071, they actually used the light that's reflected off the moon to create energy. And that's just one of the ways in the future how we tackle the energy crisis. And since this is a space station, this is a live feed of what's happening on Earth at this moment. And this is a brilliantly done model of our solar system with the sun right there beaming in the center. This is an interactive space where you scan your wristband to learn more about how ISS Hope operates and how they convert lunar energy. And here we pay tribute to those lives that was lost during space explorations around the world. And if you notice, guys, the dates are in the future because they want to make you feel like you're actually in the year 2071. And if you are interested, you could also work on the ISS Hope by applying at the recruitment center. So now I'm going to apply for ISS Hope as one of the employees here. There we go. Scanning my face. And there ends our space journey, and now we're going back to Earth. The whole experience is designed to be as realistic as possible, with the panel showing how you're gonna land, and that's Dubai, which you can see from all of the Palm Islands and the newer islands. Landed on Earth and onto the next zone, which is the Heel Institute. This is where you can visually see how Dubai will be transformed in the year 2071. As you can see, there are no cars on the road, mostly drones which have different purposes, and Burj Khalifa is no longer the tallest building in Dubai, guys. We are now entering a digital Amazon where you can immerse yourself in a mixed reality recreation of the Amazon rainforest. You can see the interplay of hundreds of species and observe details invisible to the naked eye. Now this is the most exciting thing at the Museum of Future, which is the DNA library. It has over 2,400 samples of DNA and you can actually scan the code on top of it to learn more about each animal or plant. It's so exciting to look at all of these colors. We just could stand here all day, but on to the next one. We enter the laboratory, which is a place to test out different modifications made to the DNA in order to fight adverse climate changes which will happen in the future. And once passed, we can see them in the observatory up next. That was all about Heal Institute and the wonders of nature. Up next, we're gonna revive our senses at Waha. This is a sanctuary and escape from digital life. For example, you're introduced to movement therapy where you're gonna actually walk around in a pit that feels like sand but it's not made of sand. It was really mind-boggling. This is a group activity where we're gonna get 6 of us to hum and something's gonna happen. Together we were able to power this electromagnetic field that will help power this rock which was actually found in the ISS Home. And the Museum of the Future also has a meditation space which was super unique, so we definitely made use of that. At the end of Waha, we were asked to make a wish and some examples were on the wall. We were super excited to see our mother tongue Tamil and of course made a wish for the future. Another part of the museum is the Tomorrow Today exhibit where we can see all the future technologies that's gonna come. I don't know about you guys, but this is the first time I'm actually seeing a flying suit with jetpacks, super futuristic drones, robotic arms, robotic dogs and even robotic ants, which can be programmed to do many things. This level is important because that's where the viewing deck is located. Up to the viewing deck now. I think it's gonna be between the curve of the building. Definitely go to the viewing deck. It's one of the best photo spots at the Museum of the Future. We also shot an Instagram reel and TikTok here, guys. So if you're not following us on Instagram or TikTok, make sure to follow us. We'll leave our handles right on the screen now. If you have kids and you're wondering, is the Museum of the Future going to be engaging enough for my children? Don't worry, there's an entire floor just for children called the Future Heroes. This is a learning interactive space that nourishes their mind and their body. And just like that, we made our journey to 2071 and now we're back to the present. All of the traveling might have made you hungry, so let's go check out the cafe. This is the Museum of the Future and this is no ordinary cafe. You scan the menu, here are the prices for your reference. And your barista is actually a robo. Love the museum so much that you want to take a piece home. There's a gift shop for you and some of the prices are on the screen. How cool was the interior, guys? It's so unique with so many sensory experiences. If you are in Dubai, this is a must check out spot and make sure to book the tickets with our link down in the description. It's the first link down in the description box below. Make sure to check it out and use the code SMILE. If you like this video, make sure to give this a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more such new attractions that will open up in Dubai and around the world. And we'll see you next time.